Choosing the right windows for an apartment or condo comes with unique considerations. Space limitations, building regulations, noise concerns, and energy efficiency all play a role in the decision. Sliding windows are a popular option for multi-unit residences because they combine practicality with modern performance. For apartment and condo owners in Washington, understanding how sliding windows work, and why they're often a smart fit, can help ensure a comfortable and functional living space. A space-saving solution for compact layouts. Apartments and condos often have limited wall and floor space, making window selection especially important. Sliding windows open horizontally along a track, rather than swinging inward or outward. In Washington apartments and condos, this design helps preserve valuable interior space. Furniture placement, window coverings, and room layouts remain unaffected, which is especially helpful in smaller living areas. Easy operation for everyday living. Sliding windows are simple to use, making them ideal for shared living spaces or rental properties. A smooth gliding motion allows windows to open and close with minimal effort. For Washington condo and apartment residents, easy operation adds convenience to daily routines, whether opening windows for fresh air or closing them securely at night. Supporting natural light without overcrowding. Sliding windows typically feature wide glass panels that allow ample natural light to enter the space. This helps brighten interiors without the need for oversized window openings. In Washington apartments and condos, increased daylight makes rooms feel more open and welcoming, an important benefit in urban or multi-unit settings. Ventilation that works in multi-unit buildings. Proper airflow is essential for indoor comfort, especially in shared buildings. Sliding windows allow controlled ventilation by opening one or more panels. For Washington residents, this provides fresh air circulation without interfering with balconies, walkways, or neighboring units. Noise reduction for urban and high-traffic areas. Apartments and condos are often located near busy streets or shared spaces. Sliding windows with modern glass options help reduce outside noise. In Washington multi-unit homes, this noise reduction contributes to a calmer, more comfortable indoor environment, especially important for work from home or relaxation. Energy efficiency in shared living spaces. Energy efficiency matters just as much in apartments and condos as it does in single-family homes. Sliding windows are available with insulated glass and tight seals that help maintain indoor temperatures. For Washington apartment and condo owners, energy-efficient sliding windows support consistent comfort and help reduce heating and cooling demands. Meeting building requirements and WA guidelines. Many apartment and condo buildings have specific guidelines for window replacements. Sliding windows are often approved because of their clean appearance and low-profile design. In Washington, working with professionals who understand building and WA requirements helps ensure compliance while achieving the desired upgrade. Low-maintenance performance. Sliding windows are designed with fewer moving parts compared to some other window styles. This makes them easier to maintain over time. For Washington condo and apartment owners, low maintenance means fewer concerns about upkeep and long-term reliability. Safety and security considerations. Modern sliding windows include secure locking mechanisms designed for multi-unit living. Proper installation ensures windows close tightly and remain secure. In Washington apartments and condos, this added security supports peace of mind without sacrificing ventilation or light. Professional installation is especially important in multi-unit buildings. Proper installation is critical. Sliding windows must fit precisely to prevent air leaks, water intrusion, or noise issues. For Washington apartments and condos, professional installation ensures sliding windows perform as intended while respecting building standards and shared structures. A practical window choice for Washington apartments and condos. Sliding windows offer a smart combination of space efficiency, natural light, ventilation, and ease of use. Their clean design and modern performance make them well suited for apartment and condo living. For Washington residents, sliding windows provide a practical, comfortable solution that enhances everyday living while fitting the unique needs of multi-unit homes.